Always first at the finish line. First to the plate when it's dinner time. First to escape when this shit goes down and these motherfucking clowns finna finish mine. Flow too real, hit 'em with a rhythm rhyme. Tim's on cause it's cold in the winter time. I'm a boss, yeah, you know that I'm finishing. Got the money in the bank like it's intertwined.
Ah. Ouais.
L'énergie.
Oh, tu t'es mis le range extender. A really long day on the bike. We start at like 8:30 and we finish just at 5. For once we have done all the stage in the good order for the race, so it's a good point for the battery, and we can see if we can use more the boost in the liaison. So overall it was a good day. I'm really tired now, but the good thing is that we have 2 days to recover, and yeah, I feel good for Sunday.
Trainings are finished here in Switzerland. It's been a really hard day. You know, the liaisons were long and you are in altitude, so you can really feel it. And I don't know, it was just one of those races where everything just feels long and the stages are, you know, like big distance stages. So it is what it is. We've got so many rounds, and you know, we just need to keep digging.
Yeah, it's been a hard day, 9 stages, 8 hours on the bike, really tough tracks, long tracks. I'm really tired now, but it was fun to race it. It will be really hard because now we just did the training and we're already tired, so if you have to go on real race pace, it will be hard, but good. This was a hard, entertaining race for me. Overall, I think I was riding really well, but in second stage I had a flat tire. Luckily I had a tire insert in and I could finish the stage, then change to the tube. And then on stage 5 I hit a rock and snapped my chain completely. So in the second loop I tried to fight back, tried to come back in the top 10, but in the end I really was out of all energy. I had cramps in my legs. I tried it. In the end I think I finished 13th. So my riding is good, just need sometimes a little bit of luck. So all good.
So again, pretty hard day on the hill. In second stage I got a flat at the top of the track, so I decided to stop and put a tube in the stage, so that put me out of the race for the overall because I lose more than 10 minutes. So it is what it is. I tried to push in all the rest of the day and did some good stage, so it was a really physical day on the bike, but I make it to the end, and yeah, I'm not happy, but I need to work more, and we see how it is for the next race.
So yeah, it was pretty much the toughest race in my whole career, as long as I remember. I just got mechanicals. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. That's how it goes in this sport, and you just need to, I guess, take it in the right way and good direction and move on from here.